I'm John Alder for DIYPhotography.net. We're here at the Anton Bauer stand at IBC 2019. I'm here with Richard, and he's going to tell us about the Titan batteries.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So Richard, tell us about the Titan battery series and the new ones that you just brought out.
Well, we have the Titan line, and recently, in fact, on the 12th of September, we launched the Titan SLs. The Titan SL series uses high energy cells, and we came out with the 240 watt hour and the 150 watt hour solution in both gold mount as well as V mount. The beauty of the high energy cells is that we were able to get a lot more power into a very small shape. So for example, the Titan SL 150 is now the size and dimensions of a Titan 90.
Wow.
So we've packed,
pretty big statement in size.
Yeah, we've packed the power into the same form factor, and that's one of the real benefits of the Titan SL line. The other piece is we've now used the ability to go up to the 240 watt hour solution. So what that does is start to push us into longer run times, but more importantly, it takes us into lights. You can now power lights for hours and not minutes.
Yeah.
So you get to the products like our Gemini 1x1 or the Astros and such, you're powering them for 2, 3, 4 hours based on your brightness settings. Yeah. So that's we're really happy about that.
And talking quickly about things that suck down a lot of battery, I noticed you've got the Pocket 4K right here. What other connection options are there on these batteries to power other things like cameras and?
Yeah, so we'll have different brackets available, as well as dummy batteries that'll go and connect through the battery, and we'll also be partnering a lot more with Wooden Camera. So Wooden Camera is going to support us with a lot of different brackets and a lot more capabilities along the lines of the mirrorless and the DSLRs and some of the smaller type cameras in the market. So lots of different options.
Brilliant. And what's the availability on these? Are these out now? Or?
They are. We just launched them on the 12th, and they'll be available towards the end of the month in terms of being in warehouses and such.
Brilliant. So keep an eye out on B&H and the usual places.
Absolutely.
Well, fantastic.
Thank you.
So tell me some more about the specific features of the batteries and what they offer besides.
So in addition to having the gold mount and V mount, what we've done with these is we've also included what we've been known for now is the P-tap, as well as a smart USB. And when I say a smart USB, that means high-speed USB charging. So It's as if your phone or whatever the product may be is plugged into a wall outlet.
Right.
So very rapid charging,
which is great.
Can
they put out?
It's 12 amp out of the P-tap, and then this is USB, I want to say 2.0, but that we'll have to verify. Very effective use of the product. So the ability, again, is to be able to plug in lots of accessories, your lights, your wireless, whatever it may be, coming off of these. And again, in those spare times when you're doing any kind of a waiting game, when you need to charge that iPad, charge the mobile phone, you have that capability.
Yeah. And I've noticed on these as well, you don't just have the 4 indicator lights for your power level, you've got an actual LCD on the side.
Correct. So the LCD, when their batteries are charged, it'll give you a percentage of charge. When you're under load, plugged in, whether it be V-mount or gold mount, and or through any of the ports, it'll calculate and give you your runtime in hours and minutes. So down to the minute, you'll know exactly what you're running, whether it be looking through the screen display or through your viewfinder.
Oh, fantastic.
So it'll give it to you both ways, and that's really the key. That way you can focus on what you're doing as opposed to, do I have enough power?
Yeah, it's nice having an actual duration and not having to guess based on a percentage.
Correct. So you know exactly what you have left, and peace of mind. Focus on creating, focus on shooting, not worry about, do I have enough power?
Yeah, exactly. Brilliant. Well, thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you.
That was Anton Bauer at IBC 2019. We're going to keep looking around, see what else we can find. Don't forget, we're giving away $5,000 worth of cinema gear. Check the link in the description below, and we'll see you next time. Cool.